that's not supposed to happen. So in today's video, I want to show you guys some of the footage from the track and show you some of the issues that we were having. So let's get right into it. So it started off as a normal track day. You can see me getting onto the track right here. And it sounds absolutely insane, of course. This next clip is what we were going for. So this is a good clip, and it's an awesome flyby, so check it out. Flooring it down the back straight. This next clip is where we got the first issue. As you can tell from that clip right there, this was our second time doing that long flyby, and the first time that we had an issue with the gearing. So we went from 4th to 3rd and tried to throttle through turn 1, and as you can tell from the video, it just sounded like it was in neutral, but I can assure you that it was very much in gear. So I didn't know what was going on, popped it out, popped it into 4th, and just kept going. And then as you can see, I'm starting this lap again. I sadly wasn't recording from the inside when that very moment happened, but as soon as it happened, I started recording, and this is where we pick up on this lap. So we're about midway through, going through some of the back corners, and then you're gonna see we're gonna make our way up the hill, right? So we take this left turn, we're going up the hill, and you're gonna see I go again, I'm in 4th gear, brake, pop it into 3rd under braking, start to turn in, and it's like neutral again. And as you can see, it's in gear, but there's no drive. So yeah. At this point, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna pop it out of 3rd again, you can hear it grind, and I'm just kind of shocked, shaking my head, not really sure what's going on. Definitely something's wrong, and you know, I'm just kind of agitated at the moment. I'm like, whatever. I'm in 4th gear again. Let's just try 3rd. Let's see what happens. Pop it into 3rd, turn in, and there's some drive. So now I'm really unsure what's going on. Going through these little S's, accelerating. I'm gonna go into 4th. I'm gonna hesitate for a second, take a look down. 4th is looking all good. Keep flooring it down the back straight. And then we get into braking again, and I'm gonna go back into 3rd. And it's working all fine again. It does not feel right though. I want to clarify that. And as you can hear me say,
I just need to get this one shot.
I wanted to get this one last shot. So I'm gonna try again. I'm in 3rd, full throttle, and then neutral again. But it's in 4th gear.
Yeah, they're done.
Here's an outside angle. At the very beginning of the clip, I'm coming on the straight. I go from 3rd to 4th, and then nothing after that. I mean, you hear it rev really quickly. I knew it was not working again, so I just let off, and then I eventually pop it back into 3rd. And so now I have some more footage from inside the car. I came into the pits because I obviously knew something was wrong with the car. It's pretty agitated, so I'm like, okay, whatever. Like, it's working some of the time, it's not working other times under hard load. So I don't know what's wrong with it.
You'll see how bad 3rd is. Check this out.
Oh my.
Yeah.
You can very clearly hear how bad 3rd gear is.
So that one at the end, where the first time you were trying to get that shot, is what blew it up.
I hope we don't get penalized for having my phone out.
But what happened recently, which you guys all know about if you watched my previous video, is that when I was doing our last little meet and drive up to the snow, I was, you know, assuming it was going to be like any other day with a slightly messed up transmission, as long as I don't go super aggressive on the load. Found my way into 5th gear, and it then got stuck in 5th gear and won't come out. So I don't know what's going on. We're gonna have to see what it is once we start kind of tearing some stuff apart. I don't really want to go into all the hypotheses that I have and some of the compounded or complementary issues that I think are present at the moment. I'll probably go into those in another video where I have some more time to kind of expand on all of the points and everything, but I have probably about 3 or 4 different ideas on what is wrong with the car, and it could be a bit of each one, or it could be very primarily one issue over another. A lot of parts have been coming in, and I'm really excited to get the car up on the lift and get all of those stuff swapped out so we can go make some more videos, make some more memories on the track, because this is not going to deter me from enjoying the car whatsoever. So whatever happens, happens. I want to share my experiences with you guys so that you guys can hopefully learn and take the precautionary measures and not have to go through what I'm going through. But it is what it is, and I'm glad that I can, you know, be able to document this and share it with you, and hopefully it adds some value to your guys' experiences with owning these cars, or hopefully maybe another car as well. It might transition over. So with that being said, if you guys did enjoy, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, are you on 92?
My transmission just f***ing shit the bed. I can't believe it's happened literally right now. It's literally stuck. And I actually don't even know what gear it's in.